A part 4, program currently treats words as case sensitive. So let's double check that straight away to make sure that we're right here. So run it and we'll go with the word silent and listen, and bang, silent is not an anagram of listen, and we can clearly see that they are. Like, I mean, the S there is capital and the S here is small, and similarly with the capital L and the small l, that is the reason that they are being indicated as not being anagrams of each other. So case sensitivity, it does matter thus far, but we want to modify the program so that the case of the words entered does not matter. And when the program is run, the output may look as follows. It's the first word, listen, silent, and we'll just get them working then. So what we want to do, so the first thing you might think here, you go to your Python reference guide there, maybe, and you look at some of this stuff and you see some string methods here, and you've got the string method dot upper, as we can see it here. So whatever the string is, apply the dot upper method and it will return uppercase string, and similarly the dot lower. So that one of those two is what we want to use, because we want to convert to all upper or to all lower, and then we want to compare them. So some of you might think the first way here is go, I'm going to go dot lower and dot lower. And this can be a handy way. However, the only problem with doing it this way is when you take your input, it is then converted to lowercase, and the returned lowercase is stored forever in word 1. So it will always be lowercase after that. And similarly here with the input change to lowercase. And let's see an example of that to really kind of drive home what I'm saying. So if I change this here to silent, the next one there, let's just make the next one all small, doesn't matter. But basically it tells me now small silent, because I'd converted it to lowercase, word 1 is an anagram of small listen, and that is not what I want. So while that will do what I want, it's not what I want. And where we want to actually do it properly is down here, grab the word, look at the reference guide here, wherever the string is, apply the dot upper or dot lower after it, immediately after it, using the dot notation syntax. So change it to dot lower. So it will change it on the fly there, right in the middle. It doesn't store it anywhere. It just will return the lowercase version of it, and that's enough for you to check in this comparison. Similarly here. And now we run it, and we get listen and silent, and bang, listen is an anagram of silent. Job done using the lowercase, the dot lower method, a string method. Now make sure you understand that in your reference guide here. This is reference to your string methods.